Welcome to GrayYeon We are asked to solve this problem. We have this small circle inside this bigger circle, and this smaller circle is tangent to this bigger circle, and this chord uh, divided into two parts, 5 and 9 units, divided by this 12 unit segment inside the circle. And as you can see, the center of this blue circle and the center of the bigger circle are collinear with each other. So we are required to find the area of this blue circle. Okay, so first thing that we may do is we can actually draw a line from this point to the left, and we label this as x. Okay, so we can use actually the intersecting chords theorem. So by doing so, we need to use this length on the intersecting chords theorem. Okay, so by intersecting chords theorem is we need to multiply the lengths of the division of the chord. So we can multiply this. We need to multiply this 9 and 5. So and this 12 and x. So 12 times x or 12x is equal to 9 times 5. So 12x is equal to 45. And if we divide both sides by 12, okay, we get x to be 3.75 units. Okay, so next is we get this length. So let's call this length as y. So this y is a part of half of this chord, the 14 unit chord when you add this 9 and 5. So we have y, it is equal to 7, because we need to of course add the 2, so 5 plus 9 divided by 2. So we need to subtract 5. So y is equal to 14 over 2. This gives us 7 minus 5. So y is equal to 2 units. Okay, so next is we need to get the half of this chord, which is the sum of this 3.75 and 12. So let's call, I mean, let's get half. So half of that will be, if we draw a line from the center, so this will be half from this point to this point. So let's call this as A. Okay, so A is equal to 12 plus 3.75 divided by 2. So A is equal to 15.75 over 2. And that gives us 7.875 units. Okay, so next is we draw the radius from this point and to the center. And we form this right triangle. So since this length is 2, so this length is also 2. And we can actually get the length of the radius. So let's call this a big letter R. So It is just simply got by Pythagorean theorem. So this right triangle, so r square or r is equal to the square root of 7, sorry, so 7.875 square plus 2 square. Okay, so that gives us r is equal to 62.015,625 plus 4. Okay, so that is r. The square root of the sum of that. Okay, so that should give us a 66.015,625. And if we get the square root of that, we will have, okay, so that will be 8.125. So let's write clearly. So 8.125 units. Okay, so next is we get this length. So this length, we can call this E. And as you can see, this is half, I mean part of the half of this 12 plus 3.75. And that is, since half is this 7.875. So, I mean half of the 12 plus 3.75. So, this 7.875 is composed of E plus 3.75. So gives us 7.875. Okay, so E is simply 7.875 minus 3.75, or E is equal to 4.125. So this will be 4.125, this E. Okay, so 4.125. And same with this, since this will be just the projected length, so 4.125. And since we know that the radius is, we have got earlier, this is 8.125 center to this point, so 8.125. Okay, so next is we label the radius of the blue circle to be small letter r. Okay, so next is we notice or take note of the radius that is 8.125. So it is equal to the sum of this part. So r plus 4.125 is equal to 8.125. Okay, so that is 2r is equal to 8.125 minus 4.125. So this gives us 4. So 2r is equal to 4. And if we divide both sides by 2, so this gives us the value of the r, or the radius of w, to be 2 units. Okay, so now for the final step, so the area of the circle, the small circle, so let's call this SC, is equal to pi times r square. So area SC, simply pi times r is 2, so 2 square. So area SC is equal to 4 pi square units. And that is our answer. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like the video if you liked our solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Thank you. Bye.